How to lose belly fat quickly, step by step. In this video, I'll show you 4 steps to help you lose belly fat effectively. The first step is a small change in your daily routine, something very simple, but it will surprise you. The second step is about your eating habits, and you'll see it's easier than you think. Say goodbye to the idea of starving yourself. The third step is all about cardio, and we'll find out the best type of exercise for you. Finally, the fourth step is a specific workout to strengthen your abs and make your core more defined. Step 1. Change in your daily routine. The first step to reducing your belly is losing the fat around it. To do that, you need to create a calorie deficit. Science has already proven that without it, you won't lose fat. Look at your daily routine. Many things happen between the time you wake up and the time you go to bed. There are plenty of opportunities to move or not move throughout the day. For example, let's say you go to work by bus. To get to the bus stop, you can walk a bit farther than usual. What do? Walk. You have 2 options, the easy one, which is taking the bus at the nearest stop, or you can choose to walk to a stop farther away. By doing this, you burn more calories. If you take the bus at the closest stop, will you burn calories? Yes, but just a few. And if you walk to a stop that's farther away, will you burn more? Yes, you'll burn more. You just increased your calorie burn. You can apply this kind of thinking in many moments of your day. Increasing your physical activity helps burn more fat. What if I don't use public transportation? That's fine, do something else. For example, if you live in a house with stairs, you can walk up some steps instead of always taking the elevator. If you work in a building, you can walk up 2 flights of stairs before getting on the elevator. Is this boring? Yes, it's a bit tiring, but over time it becomes part of your routine. Now let me ask you, is it better to add this to your routine or keep that belly fat? It's your choice. Step 2. Adjust your eating habits. After increasing your calorie burn, the next step is to reduce your calorie intake. When it comes to food, many people say you need to stop eating. That's not true. There are healthier ways to manage it. The first thing I suggest is making changes that are sustainable. If you're used to eating burgers for lunch and pizza for dinner, it's going to be hard to cut everything and only eat chicken and salad. Can you change everything overnight? No, you can't. So, what you're going to do is take one step back. Instead of cutting everything, reduce the foods you know aren't healthy. Example, let's say you usually have fries for lunch at a restaurant. Instead of choosing fries, go for something baked or grilled. That's already a better option. Another example, instead of ordering a cheeseburger, go for a grilled chicken sandwich. These small changes in your daily choices make a difference. Your body naturally prefers high-calorie, fatty foods because they taste better. Start by making simple swaps. We've talked about low-calorie foods in another video, which can be a great guide to help with your choices. Summary: the key to losing weight in a consistent and long-lasting way is to gradually change your lifestyle. If you adopt a healthier routine, you'll lose weight. But if you go back to your old habits, you'll gain it back. The famous yo-yo effect happens when you lose weight quickly, but then gain it back even faster. Your body tries to protect itself from these drastic changes. With these small food changes, you'll be consuming fewer calories and, combined with the first step, creating the necessary calorie deficit. This means you'll be burning more calories than you're eating, forcing your body to use stored fat as energy. Step 3. Cardio exercises. Now that you're adjusting your eating habits, it's time to talk about cardio. This type of exercise helps increase fat burning, but not in the way most people think. Cardio doesn't burn fat during the workout itself, but afterward, during recovery. How does this work? The human body has organelles called mitochondria, which are responsible for oxidizing fat and producing energy. The more efficient they are, the more fat your body burns. Cardio stimulates these mitochondria, making your body better at burning fat. The question is, how much cardio should you do? It depends on how much you're doing now. If you're doing nothing, start with 20 minutes, 2 or 3 times a week. Even if it seems like a small amount, it's a big step if you're not currently active. Over time, you can increase to 30 minutes, 3 times a week. The key is to start slow and gradually increase the frequency and duration of your exercise. Step 4. A workout. The final step is a workout focused on strengthening your abdominal muscles. Whether you want a defined core or just a flatter stomach, these exercises will help. Ab exercises, they don't directly burn fat, but they help strengthen your abdominal wall and improve your posture, which can make your belly look flatter. Here are some exercises you can do. 1. Basic crunch. Do 3 sets with as many reps as possible. 2. Leg raises. Also 3 sets with as many reps as possible. 3. Plank. 3 sets holding the position for as long as you can. These exercises can be done every day, or at least 3 times a week, for consistent results. With these 4 simple steps, you'll be on the right track to reducing belly fat and improving your core definition. And remember, if you don't have a lot of fat, you might be dealing with water retention.